Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of effortless beauty with the Wear and Go Glueless Wigs, a game changer for anyone seeking convenience and style. This wig is designed for those who want to save time and money, as it requires no glue and can be put on in just 3 seconds, making it perfect for beginners. Crafted from newly upgraded 100% human hair collected from young donors, this wig is soft, bouncy, and free from shedding and tangling. The 4x4 lace closure features pre-plucked HD lace that is invisible and breathable, blending seamlessly into your skin for a natural and charming look. With a medium cap size of 21.5 to 22.5 inches and adjustable straps, it ensures a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. Plus, the package includes not just the stunning deep wave bob wig, but also a set of eyelashes and wig caps to complete your look. Embrace the ease and elegance of the Wear and Go Glueless wig and transform your style effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.